Julius, here, eat it. You dick. Go ahead, George. Play fucking games. And if there's not 100, I know how much money's here. And if there's anything missing, you're kissing my shoe. Fuck. Real funny. Go ahead, video, George. Video. That's your video right here, bitch. Man, this is what they do at night. Oh, you're fucking so dead. You're fucking... George, I swear to God, I'll fucking kill you. Guys, suck a big one. Now, for that, I'm squishing a banana.
That was a good one because I had a lot of bills.
Now you suck.
It looked like it was raining money.